Alright, here's the setup for this video. I'm turning into this Walmart that's located in Waycross, Georgia to get a little gas. As you'll see, we start out in the turn lane waiting to turn. There's a car in front of me who is also turning into the street beside this Walmart. It then turns into the next turn lane that leads into the Walmart. And then without signaling, I might add, it then decides to come to a complete stop in order to get to the Walmart Auto Center. Now this parking lot has a separate drive further down to get to the Auto Center. Now instead of being courteous to the other drivers and going down just a little bit further to the drive and going into the Auto Center, or even continuing into the Walmart parking lot and turning around and coming back in a different direction to turn to go to the Auto Center, this driver comes to a stop in front of traffic to wait for a car to go by to go to the Auto Center.
What in the hell is this one trying to do?
Getting to the damn Auto Center.